Welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to create a minimal pre-beaded chain bracelet, and I will show you how to make another stunning new jewelry design. For this bracelet, you'll need a pre-beaded chain as the base. Please check the online shop link below to purchase this product. For the second bracelet, we're using a different pre-beaded chain, giving it a unique style while keeping the design minimal and elegant. For the double bracelet design, choose a thin chain about 1 mm wide to maintain a delicate, lightweight, and elegant layered look. Select a small 1 mm jump ring and a tiny lobster clasp to maintain a minimal look. I'm using needle pliers, which are perfect for small, minimal projects. Their fine tips allow for precise work. Don't forget the plier cutter and ruler to ensure precise measurements and clean cuts. Wrap the pre-beaded chain around your wrist to determine the perfect fit, or use the standard 7-inch measurement for an average bracelet size before cutting the chain to length. Subtract about 1/2 inch to account for the clasp and jump rings. Use wire cutters to cut the chain at the measured length. When cutting the pre-beaded chain, ensure the bead's loop remains intact. The intact loop makes it easy to insert the jump ring, ensuring a secure connection. Open a jump ring using your needle nose pliers. Insert the jump ring into the end loop of the pre-beaded chain bracelet, ensuring a secure connection for the clasp attachment. Open another jump ring and insert it into the existing jump ring. Attach it to the bracelet's end, then add the lobster clasp, ensuring everything is securely closed for durability. Open another jump ring and attach it to the other end of the pre-beaded chain bracelet. Close the jump ring securely using pliers. Open another jump ring, attach it to the existing jump ring, and close it tightly to ensure a secure and durable connection. This jump ring will serve as the closure for the bracelet, allowing the lobster clasp to hook securely for easy fastening. For the second bracelet, we will use a 2-strand design, creating a stylish layered look while maintaining a delicate and elegant feel. Follow the same process as the first bracelet. Measure the chain to match the length of the pre-beaded chain, approximately 7 inches, ensuring a balanced and well-proportioned bracelet design. Open a jump ring using your needle nose pliers. Insert the jump ring into the end loop of the pre-beaded chain bracelet. Insert the second chain into the jump ring, ensuring both strands are aligned, then close it tightly. Open another jump ring with pliers. Attach it to the existing jump ring. Add the other chain bracelet. Add the lobster clasp, ensuring everything is securely closed for durability. Open another jump ring. Attach it to the other end of the pre-beaded chain bracelet. Add the other chain bracelet. Open the last jump ring using the pliers. Insert the chain into the jump ring that connects both strands of the two-chain bracelet. Ensuring a secure and even attachment. Check for any gaps in the jump rings or connections, ensuring everything is securely closed for a strong and durable bracelet design. You now have two beautiful, minimal, and stylish bracelets, perfect for layering or wearing alone for an elegant, effortless look. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more jewelry making ideas.